Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. I'm currently at Studio 7 here on Oahu, and this is my second time doing a contrast therapy with them, and they actually just moved to a new location, which is pretty sick, and it's a lot bigger, and I'm so excited. Thank you so much Studio 7 for inviting me. And here's the cold plunge. If you guys watch my vlogs, you guys know that I love doing cold plunge and just contrast therapy in general. And then we have the sauna part, and like I said, it's a lot bigger. So yeah, super excited. Let's do a little challenge this morning. Let's do my last dip and then last sauna. Hello guys, good afternoon. It's 1 o'clock right now and I just finished my contrast therapy, and I'm getting ready for a shoot I'm doing in Hawai'i. Also, I got my period today. Like, hopefully we're not shooting bikinis because that might be dicey. And we're shooting at Sunset Beach today, and hopefully it's not raining. I feel like it's been raining a lot lately. So anyway, I have to leave here by like 2 to hopefully get there by like 4. It's a holiday today, so maybe there won't be that much traffic. Guys, this is the finished hair. I think that's a good amount of curls. Now let's go ahead and do my makeup. from the grocery store because I needed to get some stuff for sisig. I'm gonna try making myself pork sisig tonight. So I got the pork belly with the skin on the other side. I'm so happy that I got this because I saw like chunks and chunks of pork over there and I was like, well, I'm not gonna eat all of that, so I'm very happy that I got this. And then I got some eggs because I'm running out, and then I also want to top the sisig with fresh eggs on the top. I got some lemon just because I didn't find any calamansi. I got some onion and then bay leaves, and then I also have vinegar already. I have my salt and pepper, and what do I else I need? Oh, I did not have garlic in the fridge. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make sisig. I want to go to the pool, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil this for an hour, wait for that to finish boiling, and then after that I'm going to put it back in the fridge to just kind of chill. The recipe that I'm following says to keep it in the fridge overnight, but I don't really have the time for that, so we're going to go ahead and boil it now. It is currently 3:38 right now. So I'm going to boil it for an hour, take it out, put it in the fridge, go to the pool, and then come back and then make our sisig. I have my pork belly here, and this one has the skin in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it in half so it can fit in my pot. This is what it looks like. We got the skin. I washed my hands already. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut it in half. And the recipe that I'm following says to do 6 cups of water, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here. We're gonna wait for this to boil and then we'll add the other ingredients. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take 3 bay leaves. Alright guys, so it's been boiling for about an hour now with the pork belly. I'm about to take it off and just put it on a plate and kind of let it chill, and then put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then we are going to cook it in the air fryer just so we can get that even crispiness. And yeah, I wish you guys can smell this because this smells so good. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge for a couple of hours. It's now 5 o'clock, so maybe by 6, that's all I really have, we can go ahead and put it in the air fryer. Alright guys, it's been a couple of hours and I have the pork belly here. It's definitely kind of cold now, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the air fryer. Alright guys, it's done in the air fryer. Look at how crispy she looks.